Yeah, hello guys. We actually made it to China. I'm actually in Beijing, China today. This is my 46th country. So, for anyone, most people that are going to Southeast Asia, they normally use Beijing airport because of how, less expensive it is. So, but, most people that fly into this airport, they have like, a longer hour to wait before they move to, to their final destination. So if you are that kind of a person, if you are that kind of a person, I'm going to show you how you're going to like, navigate into the city. So we are going to go into the city today. So you see how it works. We navigate through the metro. If you are, if you want the 24 hours, like, yeah, if you want the 24 hours visa free, this is where you're going to get it. So you take your 20, I think, it's available for most countries. So if you get like, the 24 hours visa free, then you can actually go into town to do whatever you want. Let me go take my 24 hours visa free, then we go into the city. Yes, now I have to take out cash. The ATM machine is a little bit easier to use. It has like, the English. You just change it to, you put it to English here. You put your card. You put your card. Savings account. Then it's like, withdrawal.
Please select the withdraw amount.
Select withdraw amount. I want to take out 300 because I only need it for, transportation. So it's a little bit easier. The cash is coming out. Yes, I got my
cash.
I got my cash. Chinese. Yes. This is the ticket machine. Now we have to see how we are going to navigate. The ticket machine is, in the central exit point. That is where you can like, get your ticket. This particular place now. So once you come in, the ticket machine is by your right hand side. So let's English. Here we are at T3. The subway goes to. I'm at T3 right now. The subway goes from T3 to T2. Then it comes. I'm going to Dongzhimen. I'm going to this particular spot. So it's a little bit easier. Then you take like, one ticket is 25 yuan. And then it's like next. Cash. I put my cash. Excellent. Oh. Yes, I've gotten the ticket. It's that easy. Then this is my change as well. To downtown subway entrance. Yes. Yes, I have to now. This is my ticket. Now I have to go get another one. I have to go use the train right now. Now you have to take like a shuttle metro to get to the main airport. The train is here.
Dear passengers, the train is equipped with USB charging ports and luggage straps. Please use them according to the instructions on the side. Thank you.
If you see here, we are at Terminal 3. So this train, this subway goes from Terminal 3 to Terminal 2. Then it keeps on going. This is going to be my stop. This is my stop, Dongzhimen. This is where I'm going to drop. So if you are going to the Forbidden City and you are using this train, you have to get down at Dongzhimen. So from Dongzhimen, then you're going to change to a different train, to a different subway. I'm going to explain everything to you.
请勿外放声音，在行李上请按座位让给需要帮助的乘客。Please move to the electric devices on subway and open seats as
So hello guys, we are going to get down at this place, Dongzhimen. Dongzhimen. We are going to get down at Dongzhimen. This particular spot now, that is where we are going to get down. So if you plan to visit the Forbidden City from the airport, you have to get down at Dongzhimen. Once you get down at Dongzhimen, then you have to change to line 2. I'm going to show you guys, where you are going to go to. Then you have to get yourself another ticket as well. Don't forget that. Yes, now we have gotten down at Dongzhimen. We have to take line 2. We have to take line 2. Sorry, sir. Line 2, that is like upstairs. Go upstairs, then we get ourselves a new ticket. Then we continue the journey. Yes, we have to get another ticket. This is at line 2. You just do as I did previously, you just change it to English. Ticket sale, I think so. No. No. Cancel. English. Ticket. No, fuck. Cancel. I try using the machine. I don't understand.
Pay or cash?
I'll pay cash.
Cash.
Yes.
3 yuan.
3 yuan. Yes. Okay, ma. Thank you very much.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, no, I'll just go and come back directly to the airport, so I don't need like any extra. Okay. What the fuck? Oh, yes. That is line 2. Line 2. Thank you very much. Bye. Yeah. Man, I tried to get the ticket, from the machine. I couldn't see, where my bus stop where I'm going to. So, but the lady the lady that sells the ticket, she was really, really nice. Then, she sold ticket to me as well. So, it's easy. So, if you're unable to buy your ticket, from the machine, you can as well, buy it from the counter. It's easy. Yeah. So we are going to line 2. We're going to line 2.
请勿在车厢内使用自带饮料，感谢您的理解和支持。Dear passengers, for your own safety and the safety of others, please do not use lounge areas or stools in the carriage. Thank you for your understanding.
So it's not that difficult to navigate. It's really, really easy to navigate. So I don't think anyone that has never been to Beijing shouldn't worry about finding the metro line difficult. It's not difficult. It's really, really easy. It's just quite unfortunate that I couldn't see my line. So, but you can as well get the ticket from the counter. It's easy. This is mine. Line 2. Yeah. Oh shit, this is like line 2 here. Don't know shit. Yeah. As you can see, we are in Dongzhimen right here. So the line is going to it comes this way. It's going to take us from here to this particular spot. This Jianguomen. So once we get here, we have to come down and take the last train, which is the line number 1. So we are going to change to line 1 at this particular spot at Jianguomen. Sorry. This is like Tian'anmen. This is where we are going to. Ooh. Excuse. Thank you. I nearly missed the train. I actually took a train going to a different direction, but I had to come down, at the next stop to be able to take the right train backward, because this is actually where I'm going to. This is actually where I'm going to, Tian'anmen here. This is where I'm going to. So instead of going towards my direction, I was going to the opposite direction, which is not a good thing. Sometimes this kind of a thing happens. So from Jianguomen, you have to take the red line. That is, the line number 1 that is going to Tian'anmen Square. So once you get to the square, you have to come down. So from Jianguomen, the previous station where we stopped at, so you have to take the red line, which is line number 1 going to Tian'anmen Square. So once you get to Tian'anmen Square, which we are going right now, so that is where you're going to see the Forbidden City. Let's keep it moving. From Jianguomen to Tian'anmen Square is 4 stops. So it's actually really easy to locate. So once you drop at Jianguomen and to Tian'anmen Square, it's just 4 stops. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stops. So this is where you have to get down. Tian'anmen, ZW, that is Tian'anmen West. So once you get to this place, you have to come down, then you go upstairs. Then you just go upstairs. Every station you drop to, every station you come to, you have to get a new ticket. I made a mistake. I didn't get a new ticket, for the red line, for my last destination. I was unable to get a ticket. So I went back to one of the security guys to adjust my fare so I can actually pay the right fare. But the guy was so nice, he was man, there is no problem. So he used his security card to open for me. I was lucky, but I don't think anyone should do that. Any station you get down to, make sure you get yourself a new ticket, to avoid any problem. Yeah, so now we are outside. And now we are outside. Ooh. This is when you use this way now, then the Forbidden City is the other side. Yeah, the Forbidden City is the other side, but so you have to pass through security, that kind of a thing to get to the Forbidden City. But I don't want to do that because I have not gotten the ticket, and besides I don't have 1 hour or 2 hours to wait. I don't have time for those bullshit. So I have to look for another place to go and get some food.